All right, we're back. It's all dried up nice, so that's good. Certainly, there's still some spots that have to be touched up, so we're gonna give it another coat, and hopefully it'll look good after that. Okay, let's start. Hello.
Hi. I don't remember which one is yours.
The one on your right.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I could share.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Okay.
I guess it's coffee break time. Coffee break's over. Pretty good. Yeah. Hard to cover though.
Yeah, you probably have to do more than 2 coats probably.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
And then eventually you're going to have to do something. Okay, fuck it. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Painting forever. Hey, are you coming in the house?
Well, that went pretty well. I missed a spot. I'm going to have to probably go over it probably one more time, maybe, at least in parts. For the most part, pretty good. I'm happy with how it turned out, but black is very unforgiving. It's one little speck, it's right out there. So unfortunately, we've got to. The thing we can do is just sort of do the best we can. Put it in a low light area. that might change it too. Yeah, I'm definitely have to go one more time. That's okay. It's okay. All right. I think that's gonna probably be enough for today. Okay.